I bought this Milwaukee 12 volt impact driver around a month ago. It is the 2453 model, and I've used it a little bit. So today I'm going to give you some of my initial impressions on it and run it through a couple tests with you, and we'll find out if this thing is any good. So stick around. Now I think I paid $91 and some change for this bare tool on Amazon, and I looked today and it's up to $114. So it has increased slightly, but I will put a link down below if you want to look at it. And this model has a 2-speed transmission, which allows you to switch from low to high. Now there is a newer model, and I don't know the exact model number. If somebody does know, leave it down below to help somebody out. But it offers three speeds, and it offers a drill setting so that when you're driving screws or drilling out holes, it doesn't have the hammer mechanism, which is really nice feature in my opinion. But similar to the Milwaukee Fuel M12 drill I have, the handles on these are fat. And I have big hands, so it doesn't affect me that much, but they are slightly bigger than I think a lot of people may be comfortable with. Let's check the length of this. We'll get an idea of the specs here. It's like about 6.155 inches, which is pretty compact. Like I said before, just going to do a couple little quick tests, make this a quick video. Now I would like to put it head to head against another 12 volt impact driver. Particularly I'd like to try out the Makita and put it head to head against that and see which one I like better. But at this time, I have my wallet stolen, so I can't get access to any of my cash until next week or so, but we'll get it and we'll put them head to head at some point. But I wanted to make a video this weekend because I promised I would, and I'm going to get back more serious into this. So let's go ahead, do a couple little tests real quick and see how it performs. Now, I don't expect this to loosen this nut. This is the same setup I used to test the Icon and Pittsburgh breaker bar. So this thing is super tight. I don't know exactly how tight. If I don't want to go into checking torque and all that, I may try to do that once I do the next video, or whenever I get to the video where I try to put this thing head to head with something. We'll do it more specific and we'll do better, more thorough tests. But just for now, let's just see if this thing has any power at all. You can see it, it's on 2. Like I said, I didn't expect that to take that off. I just wanted to check. You can hear that was quite loud. But we'll move on from that. I had a piece of hardwood, and I'm not sure exactly what I did with it. So we're just going to use this soft 2x4 I have laying around, and maybe use the hardwood on the head-to-head test. But I got a couple decking screws. I'm just going to run a couple screws through, and I have a lag bolt. I'm going to run a lag bolt in, just see how well it does. Pretty fast on the screws. Let's run the bolt in. pretty fast. Not bad. So all in all, I think this is a pretty powerful tool. We'll get a better idea once I put it up against a tool in its class, and we'll see how well it performs then. But just going off initial impressions and my past use of impact drivers, this is a pretty powerful tool, especially for the size and the weight. It's really compact, and as you've seen, it does have some good power. I obviously didn't expect it to loosen that bolt. It would be hard pressed for a good 1/2 inch impact to probably loosen that as tight as I have it right now. And if I had one here at the moment, we would try it just to confirm that, but I don't. But we'll leave it there, and I'll have one for the next one, and we'll test it. And also, it'll be more in depth as far as the tests go and everything else, and we'll get a better idea how well this thing performs. As I said before, there is another model that has more speed settings and other features. If you know that model number, leave it down below to help somebody out and to maybe help me out too. I'm sure I could look it up, but if you know it, just let me know, or I'll find out and I'll let you know in the next video. But I appreciate you watching. It's just a quick video. Just check it out, let you know my initial impressions on it. We'll get a better idea how well this thing stands up in the next video. So appreciate you watching. Till next time, y'all, stay real.